Yeah, what up, guys? We're back at it, same spot, continuing from here. You know how we do it, we just make consecutive vids all day, showing the journey that we go through. There she is. Let's get after it. Whoop. I know this spot. It's crazy how you like turn a corner. Actually, we're just gonna continue hitting this. You're like coming around a corner, you're like, man, I've never been here before. Oh, there's a log. You know what I mean? So there's that jump that we hit up last weekend. You know? Turn a corner, you're like, wow, this is all new. And then you're like, oh snap, we're just right here. Oh, super big hole. Talking gigantic. You could go down there, but they covered it. I think we're going the wrong way. Two-stroke. Where they at? Where they at? Oh, they're going that way. Wow, you gotta be careful coming down that one. Yeah! Yeah, there we go. There's a crash for you guys, dude. Shoo! We washed out the front end hardcore. We washed the front end out hardcore. We were trying to cut up. Hey, we hit that hole, or no, this one. Try to come up right there, washed her out. Washed her out pretty good. Check this out. This is what I love about the Electron. If I had my normal carb, she would have leaked all over. And she would have got gunked up, loaded up, whatever. Carb full with gas because it's tipped over and wouldn't start. Check this out. What? Look at that. No sputtering. Alright, get in there. Let's get out there. One of the many positives about this carburetor. What's that? What's up, birdies? The old IRC did me dirty right there, though. She didn't hook. Possibly could be because I'm trying out a new PSI today. I think we're at 11.5. She's a little hard. I think if I would have been at 10, it would have folded more over for that and bit. Who knows? What can I say though? No, we're pushing it, pushing the limits, man. We're trying to win the race. Whoa! One way. That's one thing when you're cutting through all this stuff. You gotta be careful because you can come onto a trail and it's a one way. And head-ons ain't fun. How you guys like this GoPro? I'm loving it. Hyper stabilization is pretty sweet. I mean, even if it makes everything like kind of slow, you know, because it brings everything in the, like basically in the, when you're looking ahead, it brings all that stuff, brings it all coming slow to you. But if you look like kind of right in front of the front fender, like everything here, you see it just, so it kind of shows the speed. It'll show the speed that the person's going. And yeah, but if you're looking ahead, it comes all smooth to you. Second. What? Who wants a wheelie right here? Check it out. Oh. I'm not the wheelie master, but we can get them up. We can get it up a little bit. front brake. Go down this way. See, this is a big reason why I come out early too. You kind of got the trails to yourself, so you can get away with, you know, reversing a trail like these little singles, you know, because they're not that high speed. You know, there's not that much risk of a head-on. Pretty much you could see them coming. Which thing? Oh man, I love this stuff, dude. It's all the good out here, dude. These guys putting trees in the way. They ain't gonna stop us. Woo! We were stretching that right leg out, boys. We were almost at tip over right there. Hashtag short people problems. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna do it for this vid. So you guys smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video. You know, we out here ripping. And yeah, so stay tuned for the next one. Peace, guys.